are in the closet and I want to talk to you about my new camera. Oh wait, let me get some water. All right, I'm back. So I got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the creator combo. And listen, when I tell you that I am so excited that this came in, listen, like it took forever to come in. That's a whole nother story. I literally ordered it back in March 18th. I got blessed first off, but that's another story. We'll save that for another story time. I just gotta let it set in that it is even actually here. Let me show you. So in the creator combo, you do get this case. I know it's not leather, but it kind of has like that feeling. It is pretty small, compact. Look, it's not even longer. Well, it's about as long as my hand. My nails is, you know, going past it, but I ended up getting another case, which I'll show you, but this case is definitely okay. I just wanted to be able to actually see the accessories without having to dig through. Like I kind of want it laid out. So here is the DJI. So as you see, I've already got some accessories on this bad boy, okay? This is the actual length of it though, because I don't have the extender, but I actually ended up getting a magnetic case, which is super dope. It's very popular and the magnet is actually pretty strong. I mean, it is just a slight hassle to get off, which I love that. So that means that, you know, it won't slide. Look at how it fits in my hand. But the creator combo did not come with this. The creator combo comes with the bag that you saw. So this is how it fits in this case. I did get another case, which I'll show you guys. It comes with this battery extender. So this is an extra safety net for your battery. So once you put this on, now you have two battery sources. So the creator combo also came with another attachment. It's just like a smaller attachment. It's not the battery, but it is to give you a little bit more length, just in case you have bigger hands or you want some extra security when you're holding it. You know, because you got this little bit here, but then this kind of allows you to slide your hand down a little bit more. Another thing that it came with is this cute little tripod. So say if you have this connected, you just screw this on. You have even more of a handle here. It also comes with this cord. I think it's called a USB-C cord to hook up to your computer, to charge everything. It works with all of the pieces. Last and certainly not least, the creator combo comes with the DJI Mic 2. This is like a bracket with the magnet on the back. Put that in there. Yep. And it just clips on like that. So one reason why I do like this specific case is because it has the velvet lining in the middle, so it won't scratch the camera. I know there's another one that's pretty popular, but it doesn't have the soft lining in the middle, and I have been hearing that people have been complaining about it scratching their case. I also love that I can keep this bracket on with this on it. I want this to be as convenient as possible, so I don't want to have to take things off. So I really love that I could do that. So basically I could just throw this in my purse. It's fully protected. The lens is covered. Cute, right? I also got some lenses. So let me show you. I got my lenses from Neewer lenses. And you see that I could just turn the dial and increase the ND filter, turn it down to decrease it. I showed you guys that early on in the vlog how that works. So this is the lens I was using, and it's magnetic, so it just clips onto the camera. It's really strong. Look at this. It comes in this little case. It comes with two more filters. One is a diffuser, 1/4 diffuser, and then the other one is a CPO lens. I'm not really familiar with the CPO lens. I've never used it. It came in the pack. I thought it would be good. From what I've seen is it minimizes reflection. So if you're in front of a screen and you're recording a screen, or you're recording water and you don't want reflection to come back on your camera, that minimizes that. But I have to play around with it. The one lens that I do know about are ND filters, and it is a necessity to have an ND filter for the best quality. The next accessory that I bought is a little stand. So it just sits on the table flat and you don't have to worry about it taking up space. It keeps it still. That's what I was using in my vlog yesterday when we went out to eat. I'll be using it again today, honey, because I'm going to get some ramen before I start back on my calorie deficit regimen. I have to get some ramen first. But yeah, so the tripod is gonna add some extra stuff with it. Also, you guys, I forgot to mention that the DJI, the Creator Combo, it comes with the wide angle lens. I did try it. It looks really, really cool. So yeah, you get that. Last but not least, a traveling case. I could just open it like so. Even with this case on, even with the magnet on and this case, I'm able to fit the DJI right in it, and it closes just fine. This is how I keep everything. This is for an extra mic. I only have one DJI mic, but what I do is this little stand, I just slip it on right here and it fits perfectly. So I have all that I use, my mic, the tripod if I want, the extender, the battery extender, my protective case, and my magnet is already on it, and I have my little stand. And this is where I put any of the extra filters I have. I do have a screen protector on, the cords, any little extra accessories I will put in this. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna use it again today. Yesterday was the first day that I actually used it. But especially now that I even know about the mic thing, I'm gonna go today. Y'all, really quick, I forgot one more accessory. So you would just open this up, click it on something. I mean, you can literally connect this to anything. Again, I'll link all the accessories down below, and I'll see y'all in a bit. All right, I wanted to do this quick test. The sun is shining directly in my face, and right now I have the variable filter on the number 5. The sun is literally directly in my face. Now I'm gonna take it to number 4. I'm gonna take it to number 3. This is number 3. Y'all see any changes? The sun is right in my face, so I can't tell. This is number 2. Yeah, this is number 2. And then this is back to regular. Hello? If you could pull up, I know you like it toxic, you're used to it.